welcome to your first ukulele lesson. We're going to start by learning two basic chords today that you can use to play quite a few simple songs. The first chord is C. Now to play a C chord, you're going to use your third finger, so first finger, second finger, third finger, your third finger on the third fret. These are the frets on the first string. The first string is the one at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. So string number 1, fret number 3. You need to strum all the strings with you can just use your thumb for now. And there's a C chord. Okay, that's the first one. The second chord is a little more difficult, but we're going to start from the C chord, and the first step you're going to do is slide your same ring finger back 1 to the second fret. Use your middle finger to play again in the second fret, but this time the third string. Remember, we're counting from the bottom. 1, 2, 3. There's the third string. Your middle finger will go there. And then your first finger will go on the first fret on the second string. Again, counting from the bottom. 1, 2. And you want to press them down. You want to try to use your fingertips so that your fingers don't accidentally touch the other strings. You get a nice clean sound. So there's the G7 chord. The first chord is the C chord. You slide back to the third fret with your ring finger. There's C. Slide 1, 2. Remember, the middle finger goes on the third string of the second fret, and your first finger goes on the first fret, second string. So it makes kind of a little triangle. And there's G7. So we'll do the C chord 4 times, slide to G7 and do that chord 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, slide to G7, step 1, step 2, and step 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slide back to C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slide to G7. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And with these two chords, you can play several easy songs. We're going to do one right now together. It is Row, Row, Row Your Boat. In this song, you're going to change from the C chord to the G7 chord 1 time, and it'll be toward the end. It's after Merrily, 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 Merrily. On Life, you'll change to G7, and then you go right back to C. Okay, and I'll pause while you get yourself moved to the G7 chord. So let's start with Row, Row, Row Your Boat. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 merrily. Change to G7. 1, 2, 3. Life is but a, change back to C, dream. We'll do that again. This time I will try to not pause quite as long while you do your chord change. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 merrily. Change to G7. 1, 2, 3. Life is but a, change back to C, dream. This time, no pause, okay? Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 change. Life is but a change dream. All right, practice those two chords. Practice going from C to G7. Back from to C to G7. Remember, it does not matter right now how quickly you move from C to G7. I would just as soon you go extremely slow. What does matter is how smoothly you move. Please, when you're going, do it in those 3 steps. Step 1 is the slide. Step 2 is your middle finger. Step 3 is your pointer finger. Do it in those 3 steps and take your time. Don't pick up your finger and then think, where do I put my fingers, and do a lot of wasted motion. You want to do the smooth motion, 1, 2, 3. And as long as you do it smoothly, You will get more and more comfortable with that, and eventually you will be able to do it smoothly with no hesitation at all. All right, good luck. Strum along and have fun.